In this video, we'll add music and sound effects, and then we will level all the audio so we can hear the dialogue over the music and hear the sound effects. Let's open our folder and bring in the music. Let's drag that all the way to the left. I'm also going to drag in two sound effects. I'll drag that here on this layer right here. I put it over here because I can always drag it, put it wherever I want over here. I want to decide where those sound effects will go in the story. Now we have to think ahead to what this is going to look like when it's all done. And we want to make room at the beginning for a title for this short film. We're going to create that in After Effects, but we don't have it yet. So I'm going to select this part of the film. I'm going to zoom in, and here's the 2-second mark right here. I'm going to drag my film and the dialogue over to that 2-second mark. We're going to have 2 seconds for the title. We might even have 3 seconds. But the reason why we need to have this is it's going to make it easier for us to not have to edit the music levels that we're going to incorporate in this lesson. Let's zoom back out again. Now there's going to be a lot of talking in this. We're going to hear the music really loud here, and then when it gets to the dialogue, we're going to bring the music down so we can hear the dialogue. So at this point in the story, the director yells cut. So right after he yells cut, right there, let's get the razor tool to cut the music and delete the rest of the music to the right side. Now let's go back to this second scene, and I'm going to zoom into that area so you can see what's going to happen. Select the music, and in the Effects Control panel, click on the stopwatch to the left of the word Levels. This is going to create a little diamond on this timeline. This diamond indicates how loud the music will be. Now, I actually want the levels right here at this point to be a -15 and press return. Did you see down here how the waves squashed down visually? So that's showing you visually that the music is lower in the mix. Bring the timeline to the left and then click on this icon that says Reset Parameter. When we do that, it sets it to its original, 0 decibels. Visually, the music looks louder here and it looks lower here. Now, I don't want this transition to be this long, so what we need to do is move this over and then zoom in to our diamonds and bring this diamond that's at 0 decibels to the right to about here. I want the music to transition really quick. This is what it sounds like.
Oh yeah, the vast infinite space station, or as I like to call it, sheet number 27B from the prop closet.
I think that's a good level, going down -15 decibels so that we can hear the dialogue. So that's all we have to do with the music for this particular story, because the music goes all the way through the story up until the director says cut. We'll continue this lesson in the next video.